Before you install the bracket, just take your liquid nail, go right in the center of your mark to the outside edge. Just put one bead on there, right down the middle. I recommend going 36 inches from the floor to the top of this. You just take your screws, put in these holes, and if you have a sheetrock wall or an OSB wall and don't have studs, you'll need to put 2x2s or 2x3s or 2x4s on a wall and then fasten that to the side. You want to make sure these are 4 foot on center. After you have both installed, take your bench. You can do one of two things. You can either put a screw in the front here, put this where it needs to be, or you can put a screw down from the top. Personally, I would go in the front. Just put that screw right there. Put another one over here. And you take the pegboard. Again, if you have a sheetrock wall, you want to make sure you put a stud or a 2x2, 2x3 on here. We recommend going in the holes that are there. If you need to pre-drill hole, go ahead. I recommend going at least every 12 inches here on the side. There's an 1.5 inch mark on the back of this. If you have a stud wall, you need to put that right on the mark. And you take the 12-inch shelf, set that right on top. Your screw in here or up top. Put your screw in the back at the studs.